Hello guys, a lot of people find it difficult to calculate pips on gold and then Nasdaq or US30. Okay, so in this short video I'm going to show you how to calculate pips on gold and US30 or Nasdaq. Just very simple and easy way. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So as I said, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate pips on US30 and gold. Okay, so this currently US30 chart. Okay, so let's assume that we are buying US30 from this price. Okay, so we are buying US30 from this place and then we are putting stop loss right here. Okay, so this is, as you can see, this stop right here, the stop right here, which is 13.1, that's 13 pips. Okay, that's 13 pips. And then when you increase it or decrease it, you can see that the number is also decreasing. Okay, so as you can see, 7.7, which is 7 pips. Okay, and then when you go to the take profit or the profit target, which is 43.5. okay, so that's also 43 pips. Okay, that's 43 pips. And if you decrease it, you can see that the number is also decreasing, which is 28.5, that's 28 pips. Okay, so this is very easy way to calculate pips. Don't bother yourself, go and calculate the don't go and do no long math here. Okay, so this is very easy and simple way to calculate pips on US30. This is also a good chart, and let's assume that we are selling gold from this place. Okay, we are selling gold from this place. Okay, so how do you calculate pips on gold right here? Okay, so we are going to use the same tool right here to check or calculate pips on this chart. Okay, so as you can see, when you increase this thing, you can see that the point here or the stop number is also increasing. Okay, right here, as you can see, 1.1, which is 10 pips. Okay, which is 10 pips. Okay, so let's come to the take profit. Also, let's come to take profit, which is 3.0, which is 30 pips. Okay, 30 pips. This is 30 pips. When you increase it or decrease it, you can see that the number is also decreasing, which is 2.3, which is 23 pips. Okay, when you increase it more, you can also see that I'm on smaller time frame, which is 5-minute time frame. That's why you see it like this. Okay, so this is also 4.9, which is 49 pips. Okay, this is very easy and simple way to calculate pip on gold and then Nasdaq. Okay, the same thing applies on Nasdaq or US30. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Peace out.